Hello guys, magandang araw. Ngayong araw guys, magluluto tayo ng breakfast natin ng scrambled egg. Yan guys. Tapos na itong tinimplahan guys. Yan guys, kumulo na ang mantika natin guys. Pwede na itong isalin guys. Madaling breakfast to guys. Breakfast. Madaling breakfast lang to guys. Yan. Yan, ganyan lang guys. Tapos lagyan natin ng green grass of all. Yan. Para ano guys, para healthy naman dyan. Maging healthy siya guys. Panggatong natin guys is kahoy. Ganda ng apoy guys, oh. Yan, ganda ng apoy. Yan. Ang ating scrambled egg. Yan guys, ganyan natin ang mga green guys. Ganyan lang, mga green na to. Green leafy de vegetables. Yan. Paig na guys. Baliktad na natin guys. Yops. Perfect. Almost perfect guys. The scrambled egg. The scrambled egg guys is here. Yan. Charap niyan guys sa umaga. Ito ang pinakamadali ring breakfast sa buong mundo guys. Kahit Amerikano, kahit Pilipino, kahit anong lahi, gusto ng egg. Yan guys. Ito ang ganap natin sa umaga guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel guys. Like and share, watch and comment my videos. You can share it. And I love you guys. Babush. The scrambled egg.